Hello everybody, my friends, my Vedanta family, my business partners. It is my privilege that on the occasion of New Year, I have to speak to you. I always look for this opportunity. 2022, I wish all of you the best year for you. I wish you, your family to grow, do better in life. Anything which I can do for you, you can always approach me. The whole world is talking about India today. All the leadership position, whether in a politics, whether in a business, we are the preferred people. The kind of atmosphere we have today, we have to reduce our import and being Atmanirbhar, but always keeping in the mind to make sure that we protect our environment. Today we are using best of tool possible, whether it is a digital, whether bringing the technology, online buying and selling. From my heart, I am a Bihari. I grew up there. I still remember I used to go to Renukut to get one truck of aluminium, which used to take at least 10 days with the shared taxi to Banaras to Renukut and stay there. Sometime my father used to come with me, and we used to see that such a large factory can be established, that the kind of geology we have, probably one of the best in the world. We have a human resource, we have a natural resource, we have a country which has a three sides of sea. Our country with this kind of government, we are going to be a developed country. Our youth, the way they perform, the way they are inspired, the way they pick up things, it is unmatchable in the world. If you see the chapter 17 of Bhagavad Gita, 5,000 years back, Lord Krishna has said that how the environment is very, very important. We should not pollute. So this is in our DNA, and we should refresh that to make sure that our children grow better. Time has come where we have to show to the world how we work, how we remain united. Being so diverse, we are together. We are total committed. How do we eradicate our poverty from the country? How to create massive job for the country? What we have done in agriculture, where we used to import so much of food product. Today we are self-sufficient. In fact, we are exporting. This is the country of the entrepreneur. This is the country where our entrepreneur can do impossible thing. I never thought that this kind of telecom company can be created, this kind of airport, this kind of steel business, anything you talk about, when you empower the entrepreneur, they deliver. Even our public sector can increase their production by 3 times. When the more revenue will be generated, government can do lot of work for the public. And Vedanta, we are total committed that we are going to create world-class company, which all of you will be very proud of. I want each of you to grow, work very hard. I wish all of you very happy New Year. Be very alert, cautious to make sure you and your family and the community remain safe, and we will do everything to support you or your idea to implement. My wife Kiran joins me with my granddaughter Mahi to wish all of you very happy New Year.
Wish you a very, very happy, healthy and a safe New Year. Please take care of yourself and people around you.
Thank you.
Thank you.